Good morning, friends. Now, in this particular video, I will be giving you a brief overview of our subjective test series. Now, basically, we have seen many of the students, they are what? Dissatisfied by the marks obtained by them. At the time when they give their paper, they think that they will be getting, say, exemption marks. But when the actual results come, the marks are much less. And I have seen that the students have been saying that this answers were totally correct, but marks have been, say, given to me half of the what I have expected. Or they have a myth that the marks basically are dependent on the sweet will of the evaluators. But dear students, the same is not true. So the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, they have a marking scheme, proper step-wise marking scheme is there, okay. So they are, say, evaluating those persons who have been given the task of evaluation. They will be evaluating as per the marking scheme which has been designed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And here, basically, step-wise marking is there, working notes, each and every aspect, the same is to be considered while evaluating the answers. So, therefore, basically, for this purpose, now where a student is lacking, to know that we have devised our subjective test series of the two papers, that is direct and indirect tax laws. So, basically, in these subjective test series, what we are doing is, we are, say, for direct tax laws and for indirect tax laws, we have divided the entire course, in 4, say, papers. 3 papers are partly, they are conducting, say, for portion of, say, GST. 2 papers are for GST and indirect tax laws, and 1 paper is for customs and foreign trade policy. And 1 entire paper is there for covering the entire course. 1 paper is there. So in these 4 papers, we are focusing basically that the student is able to cover his entire course, and his revision takes place 2 times, at least 2 times. Now when he will be writing the answers, when we are, say, giving him a paper, as per our schedule, the papers will be conducted and he will be writing his answers and sending the copy for evaluation to us. The total evaluation pattern is as per the institute's, say, marking pattern. What we are evaluating is on the basis of the institute's marking pattern. So that when you are attempting these subjective test papers, you are able to know at that particular point of time what are our deficiencies. What are deficiencies at that stage? If you know now, then at the time of examination, when you when you go for the main examination, you will not be committing those errors. We specifically give comments. Every marking is, say, step-wise marking. Say, let us see that this test series will be starting, say, from 24th of August, and this way, say, we are having 4 tests are there for direct test laws, 3 chapter-wise tests are there, and 1 full course test is there. So basically, these tests, they are prepared by us taking into account what is the latest pattern of the institute, covering the latest amendments, and also the case scenarios, they are basically latest. And here, fundamentally, they are also covering what? The important past examination, questions which have been asked by the institute, or they are repeatedly asked. They are given in the revisionary test papers or the mock test papers of the institute. Our focus is basically what? That student write the paper as per the, schedule. So if the paper is, say, held on 22nd of August, it is, say, 22nd of August, the paper is held, first paper of, say, direct tax laws. So we will be sending you the paper through mail, and then you will be, say, writing your answers and send the copy answer sheet for evaluation purposes. And here The key emphasis is that you should say do the paper in the time say allotted. If it's 2 hours time for these part test papers, you have to do the same in 2 hours and send the copy. So basically what it will help you in what? Increasing your say writing abilities. What are your say whatever is say you are lacking at the in that those papers, the same will be what reflected by in our say when we'll be commenting that this is not correct or this you must write. So at the time of exam, when you will be appearing in your main exam, it will be that your final paper is say properly presented and you get what? Good marks, at least exemption marks. So on this basis, our these subjective test series are there. It is covering both the multiple choice questions, case scenario based multiple choice questions, as well as what? The the main subjective questions are there. So we have devised both for direct tax laws and the indirect tax laws. The subject is divided in three part papers and one full paper, full course. It's covering full course. So when you will be attempting the same, I assure you that you will be what? Passing the exam with say good marks, and there will be no complaint as such, because 2 times you have say basically revised while giving these test papers. And we have been devising these test papers since last 25 years, and it is not just the papers are a bit hard, but at the time of examination you will feel yes, while attempting these test papers you enhance your not only your knowledge of the subject, but your presentation has increased a lot, your writing abilities have increased a lot. Main thing, that is at the time of examination you will not be feeling any sort of say examination fear. So these test papers, they are scheduled from 22nd of August. You can go in detail at our website in the subjective test series. This is available here in our bangarsedu.com. And after attempting these test papers by wholehearted, you will be passing the exam with the flying colors. So this is about just information about our subjective test series, and these test series, they are available on our portal, that is bangarsedu.com. Beside this, we have one multiple choice question, that is MCQs, that are they are actually a computer based tests, and we have devised 2000 multiple choice questions including case scenario based MCQs that can be attempted at any point of time by say purchasing those MCQs from a website. Those 2000 MCQs, they are basically covering the entire syllabus, each and every part. So at the time of the examination also, you don't feel fear about the multiple choice questions also. So this was all about our subjective test series and the objective MCQs which we are conducting. And I assure you that by attempting these tests, properly attempting these tests, you will pass your examination with flying colors. Thank you very much.